This high-voltage line converter cleanly adapts factory speaker outputs to aftermarket amplifiers, making it ideal for modern car audio upgrades where no dedicated preamp outputs are available. Its 2-speaker level inputs and 4-line level outputs give you flexible routing options for multi-amplifier or front and rear stage setups without adding noise or distortion. The unit can handle very strong input signals from powerful factory systems while still delivering a robust line-level output, so you get plenty of headroom for your amplifiers. Automatic turn-on via direct current offset or audio sensing means the converter powers up reliably with the factory system, eliminating the need to hunt for an accessory wire in many vehicles. An adjustable load selection switch lets you match impedance to finicky factory head units and premium sound packages, helping to avoid protection issues and maintain proper sound quality. The included remote level control allows you to fine-tune subwoofer or overall output from the driver's seat, giving you convenient on-the-fly adjustment without digging into amplifier settings.